a story that's never been told. I try to build a kingdom on the shifting sand. Now I'm reaching out, Father, take my hand. And I'm just a traveler knocking at your door. Help me survive the lightning and the crack. Lord, I'm leaning on your shoulder tonight. The road is heavy and I've lost my sight. My heart is weary and my spirit is low. I've got nowhere else to go. In this desert land, be my living stream. Pick up the pieces of a broken dream. Oh Lord, carry me home where I belong. It told me be a man, stand on your own. But I'm tired of being a king on a hollow throne. I've walked through the valley over the shadow of doubt, searching for a light, trying to find a way out. The mountains are high and my feet are so sore. I can't fight this battle on my own anymore. So I surrender to fear, knowing that the Most High is always near. Lord, I'm leaning on your shoulder tonight. The road is heavy and I've lost my sight. My heart is weary and my spirit is low. I've got nowhere else to go. In this desert land, be my living stream. Pick up the pieces of a broken dream. Oh Lord, carry me home where I belong. Strength in the weakness, hope in the darkness. You're the rock in the ocean, the anchor in the windstorm. I will never fail. Lord, I'm leaning on your shoulder tonight. The road is heavy and I've lost my sight. My heart is weary and my spirit is low. I got nowhere else to go. In this desert land, be my living stream. Pick up the pieces of a broken dream. Oh Lord, carry me home where I belong. Guide my footsteps, Jah be my foundation. Jah, I'm finding my refuge, I'm finding my